Hi friends, I'm just recording another video for that 501 rupees smartphone because that video I have posted before this one is so bad and voice is so bad, quality is so bad. In this video the quality is nice, so I'm posting this video. So this is a site, and in this video we are just talking about this ChampOne phone of 501 rupees and how to register this phone and the specs, or it is scam or it's real. We are talking about this. So let's first check how to register. You have to click this icon for registering and then fill complete details in registering form, and then you will get a product key and you have to use it as your registration number as well. Okay, so let's talk about specs. It has 4G LTE. No one can think that 501 rupees smartphone have 4G LTE. It's running on MediaTek MT6735 quad-core 1.3 GHz processor. Operating system is Android 5.1. Display is 5.0. It has having IPS display. The resolution is too nice. Dual SIM, 8.0 megapixel back camera and 5.0 megapixel front. RAM is of 2 gigs. Internal storage is of 16 gigs. And the color is white, silver and gold. Audio jack is 3.5 mm. And if we will check the site, in my opinion I'm finding the site is real, but I don't know the phone is scam or it's real. So keep trying to registering. They are facing some technical issues with their payment gateway, so try to register after 24 hours. Let's see after 24 hours we can register or not. If we can register, then I will post a script for buying this smartphone on flash sale. If you don't know what is script means that you have to put that script on your browser. If whenever this phone come in stock, that time in 1 second your phone will be added to your cart automatically. So keep watching my videos. If you found this video amazing, so please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for my another video on this phone. Please subscribe. Give it a thumbs up.